Okay, so when I dropped the bike last week, one of the things that I busted was the turn signal, the right turn signal, and today I received new Flushmount turn signals in the mail, so I decided to go ahead and start replacing the turn signals. So here we have the Flushmount turn signal on the busted up side of my bike, and it actually works pretty good. I'll go ahead and turn the turn signal on so you can see it. It does blink a little faster than the stock turn signal, but you know, it works and it looks a lot better than the stock turn signal. So, other than the protective tank pad, this is the first mod my bike actually has. Okay, so this is the Flushmount turn signal that I put on my bike. It's made by LP Racing. They're really cheap. You can get them a whole bunch of places on the internet for under $25. They're supposed to fit on any sports bike, really, and all you need to do to put them on the newer model Ninjas is to trim off these white plastic parts on the top and the bottom of the turn signal, stick it right in, and then you'll need to cut off the end of the old turn signal. So you get the connector, you hook up the stripy wire to the stripy wire and the red wire to the green wire, and plug it back in, and it should work all good on your bike. So LP Racing turn signals, they come in a bunch of styles. You can also get LED ones. This one's just with the regular bulb, so you don't have to install another relay, but it works quite nice.